Okay, so this is Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, and we're just about to watch a volleyball game. Okay. Alright, that was a bit of a flop, but it's a Saturday, and this is Botofogo, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's just like a path along the beach, and you get to look up and see Sugarloaf up here, and there's the gondolas that go up and down there. Let's see if this guy's gonna do any better this time. Alright, this is not too bad. I'd commentate, but I just don't know what's going on, so... Ah, that was awesome. Anyway, so yeah, this is Botafogo Beach. So the ocean comes in around this island, so it's all kind of like locked in. So obviously I think that's Niterói over there. And there's like all the city up there. Down there is downtown somewhere. So yeah, this is really awesome. It's like 6 p.m. Well, it's super hot in summer, and everyone is out just having a good time. Yeah, this is one of my favorite cities in the world, Rio de Janeiro.